worry you. You don't know me. No, you don't know what I do you.
What is it?
So what is it? You seek a person for the matter. Wait. You don't want to shut up your mouth. You don't want to shut up. He decides you. Imagine.
Can you tell me what the problem is?
Wait. So now you be that babe way from Kogi State. Come this our community. They form Jandon. They raise shoulder. They do anyhow. What make I come on your 2 legs for ground? You see me, you know, and see if I talk to you, show respect. Make man no just run and tie you now.
I still don't understand what you are talking about.
Quiet! Come. Now you get live go Mazibi has got to brush into daughters, Abi? Now you? If I rush you now.
I see you were the one that sent to go and brutalize my husband.
You see, they speak English brutalize.
Wait. She make a pressure inside this water. So, wait. So, hey! It's on my ear. Listen, I get this wicked. I get hard mistake. It's a lie. One bone. God. Did you say one bone? That one is extraordinary bone. Listen, my guys. See that falling? I landed. God. Hi. Rizzo. Now you will allow this girl go. Now you. Now me, Rizzo, this girl fuck up like this. Now me, this girl. Come, man. This girl Phoebe. That's those Kogi ancestors. This girl Phoebe na juju this girl do.
Kogi?
Those Kogi people do.
Nda na gwa jogo. Ana go final. Hi.
This girl.
Oh.
God. This girl na Kogi juju.
Man. But wetin this girl use on us? Wetin she really use on us? Two able-bodied men like us. And Rizzo.
We no prepare well. Like us. Calm down.
So you say Kogi.
That girl na selling again. She dey do juju.
Papa Kogi.
We no come out here before that girl come.
What is it? Look at this idiot. Sister Mara! Gee, you should come or she's here.
Why did you do that to my man?
Your man. Your man indeed. Man fire. What is this stout doing here? How dare you slap my sister? How dare you?
She did that. Chidugo. Stand up. Chinenye.
How can you be the one asking this kind of question? Huh?
I hope it's not about Ibuka. Now you're thinking too hard. Sure, you're thinking so hard about this. You're taking it too personal. And it's not healthy, for your health's sake. And this deep thought you're giving into this matter will not resolve anything. It won't solve anything. Rather, it will make it worse. Take it easy. I know why I'm saying this, so how come I can be piggy? Because of your BP. Take it easy,
You think I am thinking because I want to think? It's a reflex action. Even if I don't plan to think, I will just find myself thinking. Seriously, it's like it's in my subconscious. It will just come out. If I try not to think, but it comes. My wife, Onye Uloyana Boko cannot stay calm. It's impossible.
Is that what you're trying to say? I know why I'm telling you this, okay. Whether it's subconscious or a reflex or whatever you call it, continue thinking. You can even lie down and cry about it. When you develop high blood pressure or maybe stroke, then you decide which one is better. To take it easy or to continue thinking. I won't get to fear.
In short, go and call that boy for me. Huh? Go and call him for me.
Okay, let me go and call him. Now you'll soon be here.
Good morning, sir.
Ebube, stop deceiving me with your good morning. You think I don't know what you are doing? Eh? You pretend as if you are wishing me well. Meanwhile, in actual sense, you wish me dead.
Papa, how can I ever want you to die? How? When you and Mama are the only people I have in this world. Eh? Papa, I cannot pretend. I cannot wish you that kind of a thing. Eh? I need you around. I need you here. That's why I'm wishing you well.
Then go and marry.
Bam.
Bring a woman and marry Ibuka. Eh? How old do you think you are now? You are getting close to 40. Eh? You think people of your age don't die? Just look at your mother. Do you think she can still give birth to a child for me? Ibuka, who has bewitched you? Eh?
Papa, see, marriage is a thing of the heart. Eh? I can't just go out there and pick anybody walking on the road and marry, all because I want to get married. Eh? Or because I'm of age to get married. Papa, it's not right. You know it. Eh? I can only marry who suits my soul. Chai. Well, the person I love. Obio, I don't know, man. Eh?
Ibuka, marry anybody and love her.
Bam.
Mama.
Marry anybody and love Ibuka. Ah! Marry somebody so that you can bear children for us.
Papa, I will.
Ibuka, look. A stitch in time, they say, saves 9. Eh?
Well, Papa, Mommy, but all I know is that I will marry when the time comes, and I will marry who I love.
Ibuka, when? When is that your when? Kebe, when? Okay, maybe when your father dies, then that when will come. When, Ibuka?
Hapuya! Ibuka! Oh, my enemies have succeeded.
Nah, why? What are you doing? You're crying because of this boy. I don't like it,
Papa, is it because of this that you're crying now? Yeah? Papa.
Don't papa me! Don't papa me! You're just fooling yourself around. Eh? You don't know that you are, look, you are a fool close to 40.
Why is my father finding it hard to understand that I am in love with someone and I can't marry another but her? The push is becoming too much, but I can't succumb. right in my spirit, I am sure I will still see my Ioma. All these things are happening so that I will forget her and marry another person. And I am sure that once I marry another woman, Ioma will surface. No. They can't push me into something I will regret in the future.
Now you have to take it easy. Hey, calm down, please. Be cool. Where are you going?
Mama, enough of Papa crying for me in this house. I want to go back to Warri to go and bring back my Ioma. Because this marriage issue must end.
Ebuka, you are going to Warri to look for a girl that you lost contact with long ago, years ago. Meanwhile, there are girls in this village praying to God every day that God should bless them with a handsome young man like you to be their husband. Can't you see that you've lost it? You have been completely bewitched.
Hi.
I'm telling you.
Nah, stop cursing this boy. Stop saying these things. Stop cursing him. I don't like it.
I am not cursing him. I'm not cursing him. I'm just stating the obvious. Okay, now, how are you sure that if he goes to Warri, this is the third time? How are you sure that he will not come back with stories? Papa. Now, Ebuka, tell me, which magic will lead you this time around to that girl? Tell me.
Okay, Papa. Believe me, this last time, I am coming back with good news.
And if you don't?
If I don't, then I will marry anybody from this village, any girl from this village.
Enugia. You heard him.
No, I am not deaf. Okay. Ebuka now. God will bless you.
Amen.
And He will guide your step towards achieving that which you are going for.
Amen. Bye-bye. Amen.
Now turn the blessing. Just go in.
Papa, you won't give me your own blessing. Even bless him.
The blessing your mother gave to you is enough. Go and marry.
But now you could have at least said bye-bye.
The bye-bye you gave to him is enough.
Una furobi mo, tiyene bukana choya. I cannot live without you. Mwane nyero buraka, ona wakwa noria. She's a God who sent you.
God, please, for the sake of my parents, especially my father, let this my journey not be a futile one. Lead me to the person that knows the person that knows the person that will lead me to my Ioma. Ioma, wherever you are, begin to feel my presence. Let my spirit attract you from wherever you are. Ioma. Ioma.
Una furobi mo, tiyene bukana choya. I cannot live without you. Mwane nyero buraka, ona wakwa noria. She's a God who sent you. Para mo love more, na love ebo mebu. Yo baby oh.
You again?
Namio.
Welcome.
How you doing?
Now what I go do for you now?
Now that my neighbor, Ioma. You know, after my master carry me go prison, say I steal him money. As I come out now, I can't go her house. I don't come see him again. So I say make I come know whether if you know where she pack go.
Oga, I don't come here 1 time. I come here 2 times. I come here 3 times. I come here 4 times. They find 1 person. Oga, I don't know where she dey.
I know, but I say make I ask you if the other tenants know where she pack go.
Oga, I don't ask everybody. I don't know where she dey. Nobody know where she dey. Oga, me I don't dey vex. Every day, 1 girl, 1 girl, 1 girl. Oga, now only she be girl when dey. Girl plenty everywhere now.
No. This one not be matter of girl plenty. My Iyoma no go feel leave me marry another man.
Eh.
Yes, you don't understand.
Okay, go find Iyoma. Abi Iyoma. No, they come here, they disturb me again.
No, eh?
No, they come disturb me again.
No problem. No verse, yeah? No verse.
1 girl, 1 girl, 1 girl, 1 girl.
No verse now. 1 girl, 2 girl. This girl.
I cannot live without you. She's a God who sent you.
Oga, come they go. What did they find here now? Eh?
See, why you just wake me up, eh?
Hey!
And the dream where God won't show me where your mapper go.
Hey!
Now you can't wake me up now. Which kind of thing be this?
Iyoma no they live for here. Oga, come they go. Wait, come they go.
First now, wait.
Come they go.
At least make I wait small to see if any other tenant will come back. Make I for ask them.
Oga, you know they here. Here, Iyoma no they here. Oga, come they go.
What will be your problem now?
Oga, they go now. Iyoma no they here. They go. I beg. I don't make them pursue me from my work. What they do? Now here they chop. Oga, come they go. Oga, go now.
I don't hear.
Go.
I don't hear. I will go.
I cannot live without you. She's a God who sent you. For my love for more. Now love a woman. Baby,
He's a very nice person. He's the kind of man that anyone wants to marry. I'm telling you, he doesn't have money, yes, but he's a good person.
Not true. That guy did walk. They walk like Jackie. Don't get sense. Well, can't find anyhow.
Funke. The most important thing is that he's caring. He knows how to take care of a woman. And Ibuka will never tell a lie. Doesn't know how to lie.
Hey, you can't. I wish you were the best. Hey.
Baby. Obebe and Amanonte.
I told you not to call me that.
Obebe, you're realistic.
Okay, Ibuka, welcome.
Funke, how are you?
I'm fine.
How's market today?
Market good.
Okay. Baby.
Oh!
What?
No. I'm not the baby, I told you.
Even if you're up to 100 years or 150 years, you are still my baby.
I'm an adult.
Realistic, my realistic.
Oh.
Hey, baby.
Alright.
Hey. Hey, bro. I did pray. Hey. Baby, you're just the best cook in the whole world.
So which other food have you tasted?
I don't need to taste all the food to know that you're the best cook. Yes.
I told you my place will cook very well. Wait until you taste my mother's food. You eat your fingers.
I can't believe that your mother's food should be better than yours.
Ah!
It's not possible.
That reminds me. Did you collect your salary today?
Oh. I came back with it.
Boo-boo. Have you forgotten what we agreed?
How can I forget our plans? I can't forget it. I'm waiting for the night to fall so I can do the needful.
Hey, you mustn't relent. That's the only way we can save up. Move from here to a better apartment and have a proper marriage.
I cannot relent.
Enjoy.
Oh.
Don't play. Don't play with the food.
It's still hot.
Okay? Chairman, okay? That's sleep. They sleep here. Huh? Please pay me money. I want to go somewhere.
How much do you have?
1,008. This is where they sleep here. You don't get house. Come and reach it.
Okay. I want to ask you something. I beg I feel sleep here.
True? Here? No, now. Here not be hotel now.
I know some of you hotel.
No. They go sack me. No. Hey. Your change.
I beg now.
Ebuka. What's the face like this?
Yeah, but you phone me.
Why are you moving like that? You didn't find the girl you went to look for?
I didn't see her.
Is that why you're frowning? This simply shows that she's not your wife. If she is, the efforts you've put so far would have yielded good fruits. She's not the only girl in this village. She's not the only girl.
Oh, I should give you speaker. You want to announce it? I've heard.
But you leave where in the house. Like, fry your face.
First thing tomorrow morning, we are going to Mazi Ibe's house. We are going to ask for his daughter's hand in marriage. Enugo?
I've heard. Anugum.
You should, because those ears are meant for hearing. So you should.
If it is marriage you people want, I am going to marry. I will marry for you.
Yes. Marry for us.
But listen, if anything happens tomorrow, do not call my name.
Yeah?
Do not call my name.
Ebuka, what is that thing that will happen tomorrow that we should not call your name?
Mama, if it is marriage you people want, I am going to marry for you.
Yes.
I will do that. No problem.
Marry for us. Since you've decided not to listen to me, marry for us because I can see that you've lost it.
If anything happens tomorrow, nobody should call my name.
Shut up, also.
Okay,
If you have problem, say it on time.
Nobody should call my name.
Shut up, also.
I'll marry.
Emma.
Let him marry for
nobody should.
Once again, you are welcome to my house.
Thank you very much, my good friend.
Your mission to my house will be a fruitful one. My good friend, I have 3 grown-up daughters. Yes. Yeah, okay. Which one are you talking about?
Ask him now. He's the one saying it. Ask him. He should know better. He knows the one he's talking about. Ask him.
Are you the person marrying my daughter or your father? Why are you talking like this? Why?
Ask him. Ask this idiot. Please, Mazibe, don't mind him. You know now, I like fair women. That your last daughter, that's the one we're talking about.
Chineye.
Wow, Chineye.
My good friend, let me ask you, is she aware that you people are coming here today?
Of course she is. She is.
Okay, ma. Let me call her. Please.
Bia, keep exposing your foolishness to the whole world. Idiot. I'm not fear. Ebuka.
Papa.
What was the meaning of that nonsense there? Huh? Look, don't let me believe that I was the one that impregnated your mother to give birth to you.
Papa, what have I done? What is it? Have I not followed you to go and marry a wife? What is it?
So what have you not done? What do you think you've not done?
Papa, were you not the one pushing this marriage? Now I've done it. You want me to start pretending as if I'm happy? Me, I'm not happy about this marriage.
See yourself talk. See yourself talk. You are not happy that you are marrying close to 40. The only son of your father. Look, you are a disgrace to manhood. So you want me now to leave you to keep wallowing in your useless, senseless fantasy for a woman that you don't even know how you're about?
Papa, Papa, what's all this?
What's all this? You should be ashamed of yourself.
Have I not accepted to marry who you want me to marry? I've accepted now.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at you. Stubborn goat. This your son's case is getting out of hand. In fact, I'm beginning to think that I don't know whether I'm the real father of that boy. Yes.
How can you say a thing like this now?
No. You just imagine. He's not even bothered that I'm the one pushing him to marry. He was proudly telling them there that I'm the one who needed a wife and not him.
Are you serious?
Yes. You know, you need to see the kind of drama that he acted there. At a point, in fact, we are lucky that Mazibe is an understanding person.
He has to be an understanding man. A man that have grown-up girls in his house that are not yet married. That's enough to make him understand.
See, at a point I was even scared. I thought he was going to walk us out of his house. Yes, I thought he was going to walk us out because we're just like unserious kids. People discussing marriage.
No.
Because of that stubborn boy.
No, it shouldn't walk you out though. The one carried day is already fixed so we fixed the date already.
It's been fixed. There's nothing. He must marry that girl.
How are your parents?
They're fine, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey.
Mama, is Ibuka back from farm?
He didn't go to farm today. He's inside his room.
Yeah.
Or if he's the one you Go and see him. Hey, Atabeke. Look what I was doing. Let's go. Ebuka will be happy to see you. Go. Don't even knock. Open the door. Hi, Mama.
Who is that?
What is it? Are you not happy to see me?
Did I say I'm not happy? You didn't hear me say anything.
Is this how to welcome somebody to your house? Someone you'll be paying a bride price in a few days' time.
So I should start jumping up because you came. Okay, welcome. Have a seat.
I felt we have not known each other and we are getting married. So I just thought it would be proper for me to come here so we can talk, laugh, gist, play, get to know each other and all that.
You're welcome.
You don't like me, do you?
Did you hear me say anything? Eh? Did I say I did not like you? You didn't hear me say anything. Or you're looking for something you say, you don't say I said. Big up one.
This marriage is a mirage. Honestly, I feel like quitting. How can someone practically push herself to someone that doesn't care about her?
My dear, you have to marry him. Anyhow you want to. Just close your eyes on his ugly attitude and marry him. Marry him for the sake of our father.
Yes, for the sake of Papa. At least all this is scolding and shouting on our heads to go get married will stop.
Yes. Seeing the three of us every day under his roof makes me mad. See, if one of us gets married now, I believe he will be relief. And I have hope that one day the rest of us will still get married.
I know all this. I know all this. That's why I'm tolerating that idiot. But sisters, at this point, I'm quitting. I'm not doing it again. I'm not going to continue.
My beautiful sister. Oh, Masa. Oh, Malicham. See, I'm your elder sister. I won't deceive you. Don't you trust me? Please, Biko. I beg your leave. Just do this sacrifice for us. Who knows? Maybe you will start loving you in the future.
Exactly what I wanted to say a moment ago. You know, men like this that their parents finds a bride for, they intend to dislike her at the beginning. But with time, when they begin to know this girl and discover some beautiful qualities in her, they will fall in love with the girl. And I just pray and hope that your own case becomes like that. Eh? Just try.
Good.
May I bought everything? It's expensive. What is it? Wow. Hey. Finally, Mazi. So I want to get married.
Eh?
So.
Ha! Are you serious? Hey, which of them?
The second daughter, Chinoyen.
I know you should get married to.
Ibuka, the only son of Mazi.
Hell! Chineye.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
You know,
See, ever since he was imprisoned in the city, the father insisted he stays in the village so he can monitor him thoroughly. And ever since then, he has been trying so hard to get him a wife. Thank God he has finally succeeded though. My sister.
But come to think of it. That guy, he's a man, he's not a boy. He's supposed to get married a long time ago.
I wonder. I don't know if he's waiting for I beg. It's none of my business.
Anyway, just one problem to another. You should know now. One problem every time. This one. But it's okay.
But I told you now. You are supposed to have collected this your clothes since yesterday. Today of all days. Ah! Look, we are late. Please come. Come now, come.
Papa Ibuka. Dalo.
No. Okay. Sister, let me go and call Ebuka so that you can go. I don't go take your time. Let the time.
My friend, look at you. Don't tell me say you enter town, you don't let me know. Ah, my friend.
Okay. Life in the village has been very tough. I came looking for you. I went to our former house and they told me that you have moved out. I had to sleep at Mama Hassan's place. I am on my way back to the village now.
Yeah. Hi. Thank God say you dey here now. Now God now carry you come this place.
What does that one mean?
They don't release your boyfriend from prison. And they look for you like saying go kill himself.
Ebuka.
Yes now.
Funke, please. The security man wanted me to stay away from Ebuka so I don't get into trouble. He betrayed me. He stole from their company.
No. Not be true at all. Ebuka innocent. He don't do anything. Now God now just save him from prison. They can't discover say all those things they talk. He don't do any of them.
Are you sure?
Yes now. He innocent. Ha! That guy love you, Sha. He thought he no go marry any other person until he see you.
Are you serious?
Yes, nah. You know what, marry, Abby?
I can't believe this.
Now so, my friend. Him even give me a number self, say in case I see you.
He gave you his number?
Yes.
To call him once you see me?
Yes, now.
Call him now, call him.
Ah, my friend, you never buy phone.
Funke, with which magic will I buy phone? My teeth?
Having collected your bride price a moment ago inside, I want you to show us the man you are going to live the rest of your life with. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Papa.
If anything, if you change now.
Call him.
Okay, ma, call her.
Asamo. My beautiful sister.
Hello?
Funke, how are you?
Yes, so I did here with Iyoma as they talk, so she's down here.
It's a lie. Iyoma is there.
I tell you now we didn't talk like this. Okay, ma give her phone, yeah?
Give her the phone, give her the phone.
Talk to your boyfriend. Boo-boo.
Hey, Iyom. Iyomo. Hey, Iyom, how are you? Where have you been?
I went to the village. I just came now to see my friend Funke.
Are you married now?
Boo-boo. How can you even ask me that?
Okay, you know what? Just stay with Funke. I am coming to Worry right away.
Okay, okay. Bye-bye. We didn't talk. He said he's coming to Worry right away. See your hair.
Ebuka, what kind of madness is this? Baba, what has come over you?
But wait, Iyom is back. Who? Baba, I am going to bring my wife. My wife is back. I'm going to bring her for you. Eh? I'm going to Worry now, Papa. I'm coming.
Ebuka!
I don't understand.
What nonsense is this?
Hey! Hey!
What an embarrassment!
Hey! Wait.
Una furobi mo, ti Ebuka na choya. I cannot live without you.
Ebuka temo siniru. Ebuka tempote. Yeru di ya. This is terrible. I wonder. This is terrible. This is not ordinary. It is not ordinary. My enemies are teeth. How yes, my Ebuka? How can Ebuka do this? Hey! Ebuka! Okay.
Una furobi mo, ti Ebuka na choya. I cannot live without you. Mwane nyero buraka, ona wakwa noria. She's a God who sent you. Para mo love more, na love.
Hey, Assam. Are you doing what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Assam. I missed you.
I missed you too.
You know, when I was in prison, I used to pray to God a lot. I was asking God, when am I going to see you? Which day am I going to set my eyes on you? You know, I was praying to God for you to remain single and unmarried.
You got me so worried. I cried day and night. I was so worried. I didn't understand it. Because I know that he's a good man. I was wondering, how could you ever involve yourself in crime?
No, I did not. I wasn't involved. It was my colleague. My colleague did everything and got us involved, and we were all arrested. We were arrested and took to the prison. Believe me, I wasn't part of the crime.
I believe you. But how did they find out the truth?
The prime suspect ran away with the bulk of money to Europe, and he was arrested there. You know, they now asked him to list the name of those people who were part of the crime. He listed their name, and my name wasn't there. And that was how I was released.
Thank God. Let us God take protect you people, shall
Iyom, my father has been on my neck. I am going to take you to my village. I want to show you to my parents. I've been telling them about you. They will be so happy that I finally found you.
No problem. I'll go with you. So where do you stay now?
I stay in the village. I stay with my parents in our village house. You know, after I must have been released from the prison, my father never wanted me to leave his sight. They thought they've lost their only son, you know, so he never wanted me to leave his sight again. I have to stay back in the village.
What do you do for village?
I'm a farmer. I farm. Oh. Now farmer, they farm now. No.
So, peradventure we get married. What will you do then, or where will you stay?
Don't worry. When we get to the bridge, you cross it.
From the pit of hell. The time is fast spent today, and it's not yet back. Are you sure my son will return to this house again?
Look, come on. He's back, oh. You told me, Dada. I don't know. That's it. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome, my dear. Thank you, Mama.
Ibuka, what was the meaning of that thing you did yesterday?
Papa, I'm here to introduce to you the woman I want to marry. The love of my life. Yeah? Again, Papa, she's the one I've been telling you people about. Yes. Yes, she is.
So, the question I just asked you is nonsense, Ekwa?
No, you're welcome once again, oh? Hey, what is your name now?
Iyoma.
Iyoma.
No, Mama. Iyoma.
Which name is that? Are you not an Igbo girl?
I'm an Igala girl. Kogi State.
Oh, Kotoriba.
Guinea. Kogini.
Akarahasa, because. No.
Excuse me, young lady. I want to see you now.
Asa, I'm coming, eh? Please, come and sit down. Come and sit. Sit. I'll see you.
Sit. Sit down. This one is your hair.
Have you gone insane?
Papa, what is it again? Eh?
How can you leave the wine carrying ceremony of a very decent girl from this community and wait all the way to Kogi to go and bring an Igala girl that has very terrible dread? Is that what you are trying to tell me?
Papa, love has no boundary. That is where I found my love.
Love Bukwegi. Love Bawakwagi Onu. Eh? Look, I can see that you are no longer normal. You are not normal. So this terrible is influencing you. Just imagine. Look at the kind of hair that she has.
Papa, that is where I found my love. What is wrong in going to look for a girl that I'm in love so much with? Someone that I've built a relationship and rapport with. What is wrong with that?
Everything is wrong with it. Yes, everything is wrong with it. Look, as far as I'm concerned, my only son will not marry an Igala girl that has not cut her hair since she was born. And that is final full stop. Final full stop, Ibuka.
Welcome, Mo.
Asam, come, let's go into my room. Okay. Let's go into my room. Come, let's go. Come, let's go.
Yeah. What's it called? What did you see?
parents don't like me because I'm not an Igbo girl.
Forget them. They don't matter.
They do. Before my mother died, she told me that if a woman ever marries into a family that don't love her, that her lifespan will be cut short. I don't want to die. At least not now.
So what do you want to do now since they don't like you? Go back?
Yes.
No, you're not going anywhere. Since I've finally found you, you're not going to slip my hand anymore. You're going to stay here, get used to them, and the earlier the better you start getting used to my people, better for you.
So it's by force?
In that case, yes. Come on, smile for your boo. Come on, smile.
No. I'm worried.
About what?
Me. Us. Why am I here? What am I doing here? I want to go back.
You want to go back? You and I know that you are an orphan. You want to go back to your wicked uncle? Or you want to go back to worry where you don't even know where to stay?
So because I'm an orphan, you bring me to your father's house and keep me here. Am I your wife? Have you seen my people? Do you know my people?
Okay. My dear, see the plan. I brought you here so you stay at least for a month or 2 months. You get to know my people, they'll get to know you. They will get familiar with you. Likewise you. Okay? Because I know very soon, after they must have known you, you will go and do the needful in your place. I know they will strongly give me their consent.
You know how to deceive me.
You know I can never deceive you, right from the first day.
But then again, I came with very few clothes. It will not last me a whole month.
I am going to buy clothes for you at a K market.
I hear you.
Now, smile for me.
No.
Smile for me before I tickle you.
No.
Smile for me, go on.
No.
Doing. Doing.
Get no.
Auntie Amara, do you know I was told that he returned with a Yoruba girl?
No. I heard she's not Yoruba. She's Igala.
Igala, Yoruba. Are they not the same thing?
I knew his mind was not with me from the beginning. I knew it.
I even heard that they've been dating for a very long time before he was sent to prison. And since he returned from prison, he has been looking for this girl to no avail. That is why he refused to get married with all the pressure the family has been mounting on him.
That call was to inform him that that girl has been seen.
Exactly.
And he left me in the presence of everybody. Yes.
Sorry.
I don't blame him. I blame Papa.
Nemo, it's okay.
Stop crying.
It's not your husband.
Sorry.
Your husband is on his way.
Eh? It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey! Hey! Eh? He even came with an Igala girl. Hey!
I don't understand. Why didn't he marry this girl since?
Yeah?
Why must he wait to embarrass Chin? And every other person present on that day? Why?
Eh? They said they lost contact. You know, after he returned from prison, he has been looking for her. And you know the call he received that day on the wine carrying ceremony. They said the call was about the girl. They said the girl has been found. He has finally reached the girl.
Cheryl, what will he do with the bride price paid on Chineme's head? Or to marry the two of them? As in the two of them. Is he going to marry the two of them?
But the marriage did not hold now. Did it hold? Did it?
Woman Zibi has collected the bride price in Chinonye's hair.
Oh.
He has even given the wine to Chinonye. What was remaining is just for Chinonye to present it to his husband before he left.
Hey. Ha. Why are you talking like a stranger? Since the wine presentation ceremony did not hold, the marriage cannot hold now. My sister, there is no evidence that the bride price was paid. So he has to return the money. That's the only solution, no. He has to return the money.
Poor girl. I feel for her.
What your son did to me and my kinsmen is an abomination. It's an abomination. And we cannot take it. He left the bride at the middle of the event after answering a strange call, only for him to return with a strange woman. Hey! And the worst of it all was he never bothered again to ask after his bride, Chinenye. Hey! Hey!
He did the undone what has never been done before. He practically poured shit on our faces. I will never forgive him until I join my ancestors. Never.
My in-laws, please calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Don't tell us to calm down.
Please.
Because we cannot calm down.
Please, calm down. We can still resolve this issue amicably.
Resolve
Please.
what?
Please. Look, I know you are still hot and bitter. But just look at me. Look at me. He also disgraced me and my kinsmen. Please, look, what is wrong can still be corrected. We can do it.
It can never be corrected. The wrong can never be corrected at all. Listen. This is the bride price I collected from you and your son when you came to marry my daughter. I am returning it because I am not a thief. I am returning it because I am not a beggar. Take. Nga. Oh, you don't want to take?
Let's go.
Please wait. Please. Don't go. We can discuss this issue as men. We can resolve it. Matured men.
You see that your son? Yeah, the back.
What has this boy done to me?
Seems not to be happy.
You lied to me.
Lied to you about what?
You told me you're not ready to marry anyone else and that you were searching and waiting for me.
Yes, that wasn't a lie.
Some men just left your father angrily. He was calling them his in-laws. Apparently, you have a girl you're supposed to marry that you abandoned. Why? Explain to me.
See, my lord,
no. Explain to me.
Okay, I will explain to you. My father desperately wanted me to marry, but I told him that I'm not going to get married till I set my eyes on you. We had an agreement that if I go to search for you and I did not see you, that I'm going to marry another woman. Then I went to Warri to search for you. Instead, I met with Funke and I dropped my number for her. So I came back and I have to stick to our agreement. So on the day of wine carrying, Funke called me that she's with you. I have to drop everything about the marriage and abandon them till now. You see? Yum,
Ibuka, I don't know what you are doing in that room with that girl. I don't know what you're doing. But as far as I'm concerned, and so long as I'm alive, you will never marry that girl. You will not. Look, our in-laws just left here a moment ago. We better plan now. I'm going to meet them to see how we can mend the broken fences. Oh.
Papa, you better stay alive and enjoy your daughter-in-law, because nothing on earth will make me not to marry her. Not even your own death. You understand? So stop threatening me with that. Papa, if you die now, I will still bury you and go ahead and marry her. Pure.
So what are we going to do about Chineye? And the bride price that we've already paid?
It was your making, not mine. You brought her. So now I've found my own soul, my love, the one I love so much. So you can go ahead and make her your second wife. I have nothing to do with her again. Yes.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Adema, no problem. Oh. No problem. You can go to Kogi to go and marry her. But as far as I'm concerned, my legs, your mother's own, and those of my kinsmen will not follow you there. You better bear that in mind.
I've heard you. My leg can go. I will go alone. Eh? Don't go with me. I will go.
Stubborn goat.
Papa, stubborn goat.
Nine. There's no need disturbing yourself so much about this matter the way you're doing it to. What is the big deal in it? Mazibe has returned the bride price. Allow him to marry whoever he wants to marry now. Stop disturbing yourself like this. Don't trouble yourself too much.
I am not going to say anything other than what I've said before. As far as I'm concerned, I am not going to carry my legs out of this community to Kogi State because I want to marry for his son. I won't.
Who says you should go? We are not going anywhere. He will go by himself, marry by himself, and come back by himself. So we are not going anywhere.
Good.
Take it very easy.
I will. I've told you my own.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Oh? Let me bring you water to drink.
I'm not taking anything easy.
Because your temperature is like,
then cool it down.
By water.
Not only water.
Is that the only thing I'll be hearing in this house? Because that's the only thing I've been hearing since I got here.
Assam, please, just listen to me. This is just for a moment. All this will end very soon. Believe me.
My mother-in-law doesn't like me. My father-in-law does not like me. Only me. Only me. And they don't want to see me eye to eye.
And your husband loves you. Yes. His love for you supersedes all the hatred in the whole world against you.
You're not the only one I'm marrying. They are my husbands too.
My love, believe me, with me by your side, very soon, all this will be in the past. Okay? Trust me. Here. Smile for me now.
Who swept this compound like this?
It must be Ibuka, of course.
Ibuka kwa? Look, Ibuka I know cannot sweep the bushy areas of this compound. Ibuka.
Then it must be his new wife.
New Guinea?
Wife.
New wife? That you marry for him? Oh, so you mean you've married for Ibuka without my knowing?
Now, what do you want me to call that girl now? That girl that is with him. Must be her. Anyway, let's not quarrel. Let me prepare your breakfast. Oh? Hey, Ibuka. Hey. You mean you cooked already? No, I got to the kitchen now and I found the food already prepared.
This early? By who?
I don't know. I went to Ebuka's room to inquire, but I didn't see anybody. There's nobody in that room.
Not even the girl?
No, the girl is not there. Maybe she must have joined Ebuka to the farm. That's what I think.
You mean she did all this and still had the strength to follow Ibuka to the farm?
You know that girl is strange. I don't understand that girl, but when they come back, I will still ask who made this food. The food. This early morning. It's alright.
Papa, good morning. Mama, good morning. We didn't have firewood at home, so I decided to go into the bush to get this one. It's bigger, it's stronger, and to last us longer.
Are you not feeling the weight of this one? Even my son can't carry such a thing. This is too big for a girl.
Mama, I'm fine. I hope you're enjoying your food.
Go and drop that firewood. It's too big.
Okay, Mama.
Hey, this girl will not kill me in this house. Look at this. This is too big.
Who broke the wood?
Who? That girl. The same girl.
You mean she... But she just came back now.
Nah. There's something strange about that girl. That girl is strange. Hey, something is strange about this girl. Just in 1 second. Just imagine. Ah! Oh.
You are the love of my life. Baby, the beautiful one. And you are also powerful. I cannot do without you, you're mine.
You are welcome.
How are you?
Good day.
Who brought all this firewood?
Who else?
Hey! You see, this is the reason why I told them that it's you or nobody else.
You've come again.
Hi!
How was the farm?
Good. Good. Eh? Bikon. Eh? Let me even look at the hand there.
You have come again.
Please, I'm very, very hungry. I'm so famished. Give me food to eat.
Take a bath before you eat.
No, I want to eat first. Let me just wash my leg. I want to eat first. After eating, then. Hi! Iyo! Iyo! Hi! You're too much. I know you're going to show them. Yeah?
Are you done washing your feet?
I'm done. Let me just eat. So
see?
hungry.
You're so hungry you didn't wash your feet well.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you, my dear one. Oh my God. Iyo. Iyo, mo.
What is wrong?
I'm finished.
With what?
The food.
What happened to the food?
The sweetness of the food is too much. Hey! Nyataka! Oh, Guinea bean, what is this? Eh? Oh, sorry, yeah?
Sorry, is this? Sorry.
Papa, sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry, yeah?
Okay.
Papa.
Yes. Did you get it? Yes. You do? Hi. Way back. I want to know the place. You do? No, she the table.
Sorry. Once you drink it, the entire pain will go away. Permanently.
Drink it now.
Ah, it's bitter. Oh.
It's not supposed to be sweet now.
Why You put inside.
The entire pain will go away once you finish it. Once you lie down and stand up, nothing. You feel nothing.
You finish it.
Drink. Papa, more. This is direct from Kogi. Drink.
Drink, finish it. Finish.
That is bitter.
Sorry.
You feel better.
Did you put bitter leaf inside?
It's a mixture.
Sorry.
Chine, what's the meaning of this?
You weakling. Why did you come to my father's house to ask for my hand in marriage when you know you're not ready to get married? Only for you to embarrass my family. Why?
See, if you don't get out of my way now, I'll just deal with you.
I'm not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere until you answer my question. Oh, because you felt I'm a nobody. You felt you can wake up one morning and do whatsoever you like to me and go scot-free, right? Come and try it.
Chine, get out of my way. I'm going to push you down. Oh.
Try it! Try it, let me see.
Chine, get out of my way.
Because of that dirty girl. Because of that pig. You said they're going to do what? Try it, let me see. Try it.
Block my way again. I will push you down.
You will push me. You can't do anything. Push me, let me see. Push me!
Hey! Come, who did you say that girl is?
It's a girl again who said our son will not marry.
Just look at me. The pain is gone. I can't feel the pain again. Oh.
No more pain.
The pain.
Hi, Chineke, thanks, sir. Thank God. You can't feel any pain at all.
At all. My wife. What leaf did this girl use? Ha! You know, I've been suffering here like this. She just brought one leaf.
The leaf doesn't matter. The most important thing is that girl is a God sent to this family. And the important thing again is that there's no more pain in your waist.
Hey!
See,
you know what that would mean?
Leave that one. No, don't go there. I want to go and tell the girl about my rheumatism. Let me see if she can swear cure my own.
You are just still talking. You won't go and look for her. Hey! See.
I'm going. Stop jumping.
This night,
Yeah, no. It's okay.
No more wasting. Our girl and wife has cured my waist pain.
Don't worry, she will soon cure my rheumatism. And I'll be dancing too.
Your own is just roots. I'll go into the bush and look for the roots. I'll boil it. You drink it morning and night for 3 days. And there will be nothing like romanticism.
And I'll be walking around like this. I can't wait. I stop dancing too much.
See.
I'll soon join.
No more waist pain. Ebuka.
Everybody happy.
Hey. Papa. See.
Hey.
Our girl and wife has cured my waist pain. See.
Ebuka. She will soon cure my rheumatism too.
This is specially for you. Take it. That dog is direct from Igala.
Yes.
You mean that pig pushed you down? That idiot laid his filthy hands on me.
Wait. were you able to tell him everything we asked you to tell him?
Trust me now. I told him everything. I told him ancient and modern. As in, I let loose my tongue. He couldn't barely eat anymore, so he had to push me out of his way.
Hey!
For that imbecile to lay his hands on you, we will teach him a lesson he will never forget in his whole life.
Yes, so. Weakly like him. It's where you are that he will show his manpower.
By the time we are through with that imbecile, by the time we are done with him, he will regret ever laying his hands on you.
I trust you.
So don't worry.
I hope this thing is not very bitter.
It's very bitter, Mama. But if you take it morning and night for 3 days like I told you, you will never complain of romanticism again, ever.
3 days?
3 days.
Maybe you can get container and say you pour it inside. This thing will be very bitter. Let me bring container. Okay.
Power in the game. Power in the game. Work well. So, how far that this thing now? That one way they tell me that time.
I think that thing no straight. I they try the straight time, but the thing with the bend. And they try the straight time, the bend.
Babe, waiting they happen now. Your face rumple somehow.
Oh, network, not the network, not the sit down. This one is shake like this, no one person.
Waiting they happen now. You know, your face no straight at all.
Rezo, I am not happy. I am not happy at all.
You show now, you show for your face. But anybody caprison anyhow for your side?
Yes.
Who be that? Who be that? The person don't look where?
You know the fear face.
You know reason? Omo. Who be the person?
You know that stupid boy.
Who be that?
That stupid boy that embarrassed himself, not me at our wine carrying.
Wait. Ebuka?
Yes.
That mugu. Damn.
That bastard. Nothing, no. I just went to meet him, just to ask him why he treated me that way and disrespected me. And before you know, people started beating me. And I didn't do it. Instead, he just started beating me just like that.
No, lie. Enough it. Wait, no. Eh? No, lie. The guy, wait, my drink first. Be like, I know hear you clear. Come, you say the guy knock you. But what you anyhow? For this village. The guy, where is your day?
Guy price.
Eh? No. I don't see say the guy can't knock for shop where they lock. I go open the shop, sell market, give him. You don't buy goose. Forget. Eh? He knock you.
You know the fear.
For this village.
Yes.
Forget him. Leave the matter for me. Just leave the matter for Matthias. Just drop something Mokute high. Because he get the guy high one high. I go knock that guy. The one go knock that guy. You said you go dash me money.
I trust you now.
Eh?
I trust you guys. Something.
No, the guy go collect. The guy go collect. Me.
Razor.
Me Razor.
Deal with that guy.
This one go well. If you still get a new one, if you add some, make you get the guy high.
I want still talking about that one. No, you know.
Make you still add smoke inside. Hi.
Beg, Mona help me to that guy.
You know, say me the high where.
I know.
And I need to high to pef that guy.
Now this one I get. People should just help me. Just treat that guy. Fuck
off. Forget the guy.
Treat that guy. Fuck up for me.
Omo. Madam, bring more drink, more high. Just forget. Go house. You go hear the scores.
Thank you.
Then go call you, tell you what
happened. Thank you.
Eh? Ebuka? Ibuka?
Rezo. That money.
Eh?
That money lean. Your papa name be Mugu.
I gave them the 1,000 naira. And they said they are going to treat this fuck up. But I told you those guys would deal with it mercilessly. Next time, that guy. You be careful with women. Did you say women? Not just women. We, Mazi Ibe's daughters. Our matter, not be small. Let's go.
Do you know today is the second day I started taking that your route? That route you prepared for me. And I can't feel any pain again. See, my legs are so free.
I told you. I'm very happy to hear that.
But who taught you all this?
I don't know, Mama. But I do know that they say I have special gifts. I do know that they say I do strange things.
Yes, because the other day you carried that big wood. Before I and my husband could say a word, you have finished cutting it into pieces.
You still remember that, Mama? There's actually a lot I can do.
Hey! Ada, the Obi of this community is a good friend of this family and is having a serious waist pain just like the one my husband used to have before. I would like you to go there and heal him.
Mama, that is not a favor. Nothing gives me great joy than sharing my gift or using my gift to help others. I'll gladly go there.
So you will go?
Yes, Mama.
Thank you. That is good.
Onyobi.
You're welcome, my children. Your mother told me that your wife can cure waist pain. Is it true?
Yes, my king. I can. I have a substance that you will drink for 3 days, morning and night. And I also have another that I will send across to you, with which you massage yourself with. Once you sleep and wake up, the pain is gone.
Really? That's alright. So, where is the substance? So how much do I pay for these services?
Freely I get, and freely I give. You can show your appreciation once you are healed, my king, if you want to.
What a wonderful lady you are. If I am healed, I think I will.
You are healed already, my king.
It's all right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madam. You're welcome.
I think we are going.
Oh, thank you very much. Send me word to your mother. Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you, my king.
Hey, I am very happy today.
You are excited?
Yes! A great miracle happened in this Obi today.
In this Obi?
Yes! In this palace. I am so happy. Hey!
Obi, can you please give us the good news? Because our ears are itching to hear the good news.
Now, I want to ask both of you a simple question. Who amongst you can tell me that illness that kept me down for so many years and I was known for it?
What else if not waist pain?
Thank you very much. Waist pain! Waist pain! My people, that is why I called you. To let you know that my waist pain is gone and gone forever.
You see, it is nice, but tell us how it happened. Then we can as well follow you to celebrate.
You will definitely celebrate with me. That is what I am saying. Don't worry, I am still talking. I am still talking, just listen. Do you know Oba's son, Ibuka?
Yes, yes.
You know Ibuka very well?
Yes.
Very good. his wife-to-be, a one gifted with miracles from God. That girl has cured so many pains, waist pains, romantic pains. She has gone to many houses in this village to cure people of those pains. She went to Unoka's house and cured Unoka of his waist pain that brought him down for so many years. Even Unoka's wife that had serious romantic pains, she cured her too. And so many others. When that girl was brought into this palace to cure my waist pain too, I looked at her as a nobody. But behold, she gave me a concoction made from herbs. And after taking it, my waist pain disappeared. My waist pain disappeared immediately. What a miracle. What a miracle. That is why I have invited you to tell both of you first. No. I want you to look at me. No. You want me to jump up? Idai! Here is your Obi, jumping up and down. I can move to every direction. After over 50 years. I can move to... in fact, let me bend. Listen to me.
Please, this calls for great celebration. It's a very great news. And it calls for celebration.
Celebration is an understatement. I am going to throw a very big party called banquet.
And wait, please. My wife has been suffering from asthma for many years. And the asthma is becoming worse day by day. Could you take me to the girl?
Don't worry. You have mentioned taking you to that girl and you are healed. You are healed already. That girl is full of miracles. Blessings. Yes, I'm listening to you.
Listen to me. Not all that glitters are gold. This girl in question, has any of us the slightest idea where she comes from? Wait, where she comes from does not matter.
It doesn't actually matter. So far your waist pain is gone.
She is a blessing from the gods. No question where she
comes from. Oh yes!
Where she comes from does not matter.
It doesn't matter.
She is a blessing from the gods. And we should not talk about that. Go to a crowd.
She's a God who sent you. Borrow my love for more. Now love a woman. Baby,
She's not our hero. My sister. It is not only our ego she has healed though. You know, Ichio's wife that has been suffering from asthma since birth has also received her own portion of healing. Yes, so.
Hey. It's obvious. She's a special one. Yes.
It is clearer now why Ibuka bent on marrying her.
You're right. But Mazibe and the daughter will not understand it that way. They will not.
What do you expect from a loser?
Oh.
A loser will always be jealous. What do you expect?
Don't say that now. It's not fair.
Pico.
I think for her, for her.
You feel for her?
Yes, now.
Maybe you should be happy for her. She's not a hero.
What about Mazi Baseball?
Ebuka. Are you going already?
Well, good morning, sir.
Good morning. You're going to the farm already?
Yes, sir.
I want to talk to you. Come. Let's sit. Oh. Ebuka.
About?
It's about our wife. You know, it's been 2 weeks now since she's been with us. I want to know your plan. When are we going to see our people? Why are you laughing? Why is so funny?
No, it's just the way you called her our wife. Papa, you know, he's very... He's sexy. He's romantic.
Forget the past now. Let's discuss the present.
Anyway, anytime you want us to go, then we'll go.
If you tell me anytime, I will say we should go now. Today.
Papa, you know, I have to see her, at least get her to inform her people of our coming.
Odema.
Okay.
Jane, come.
Thank you, Papa.
Okay, go well, let me see your mommy for something.
I can't really wait to see you. No, wait.
Delphine, how did you go? They messed up that young man. They beat and beat. And I had to start begging them to stop beating him. If you go there, I don't think that young man can walk his father.
What? Bambino. That was too extreme. They shouldn't have beaten him like that.
Sister Amara, wait first. He deserves it.
No. They went too far. Don't talk like that.
Did he not go too far when he left Chineye here at her wine carrying? Did he not go too far? I think Sister Amara is right. I think they went too far. The beating was just too much. You need to see how they were beating this man. They were beating him as if he offended them before. The beating was too much. Trust me, I think Sister Amara is right.
I don't care.
Mind you that the Obi and the Council of Elders, which our father is one of them, frown at such acts. See, their repercussion is too high. I've said my own. I'm not there when it happens. Chinenya, I'm not a Kwamea.
Come and sit down. Relax.
Chineye, relax. Nothing will happen.
Are you sure?
Nothing.
Are you
Just
sure?
relax. Yes.
Hey!
Trust me.
That's my sister. Hey! But they dealt with that guy.
He deserves it.
You need to see the video.
Mama! Papa! Mama!
Okay, what happened? What did this to you? Nine! No. You called me. I don't know what is wrong with you.
Baba Chineyo. Eh? Chineyo brought boys. They blocked me on the way and wanted to kill me.
Chinenye brought boys to kill you?
Yes, so...
Hey!
So you mean Chinenye brought boys to do this to you? Yes, so... I'm coming.
Now where are you going?
Please, just take care of the boy. I'm coming.
Now you come back. He will be fine. I don't want them to... Now you come back here. He will be fine. Ndo. Nine.
I will not try at all. If we help that guy, at least stand up. But imagine the marking. After today, you learn the lesson.
But the way you take on that guy, you don't take on the comment mind. Whether that guy don't pass back off in the house when your sister debates for back. You know how man they feel when he say guy pass back off there.
No call my sister before this matter. Make her no change up for you. The Jones.
The way you take on that, you take him first. You brush that guy like you want poof the guy. Small 1K per me, small 1K per switching and you give us. They don't want you spoof person. How much is you?
So wait though. Now, you didn't want to come on yourself for this matter now. Just see as you caprison. So you won't come on yourself like say you don't follow for the matter again. You don't know the matter.
You get us a thing for you. If you observe me very well, I did beat that guy with brain. I use my shush mind. If I brush and small, I go bro. I go brush and small, I go bro. But you don't use still the whip on. The whip craze come off. Oh more. But boy, you don't break firewood before. You know this time. You don't get Jerry, I see him.
How do you call AK for this matter?
AK? How can you bring AK with you?
They call AK for this matter.
If you have what you will do.
You will take off now. They never work.
Masibe, hey, wait, Jere. I'm on my way to your house. Thank God I've met you here. Masibe, so because my son did not marry your daughter, you went and hired killers to kill my only son, Masibe.
Wait. What are you talking about? Who hired killers?
Oh, so you don't know what I'm talking about, Ekwa? You don't know? We shall see.
They will never see peace in life. It will never work for them. They want to kill my son. It will not work for them. Mama, sorry. Sorry. What happened to him? Chinenye went and hired killers to kill my son. He didn't succeed.
Yomo.
Chineye brought men that did this to you. It did not work for them.
No. No! No! This is not going to happen. Where are you going? Come back here! Come back here! Where are you going? Where is she going? Come back! Chineye! Chineye!
What is it? Look at this idiot.
Sister Amara! Sister Amara! You should come or she's here!
Why did you do that to my man?
You're mad. You're mad indeed. Man fire. What is this tout doing here? Huh? How dare you slap my sister? How dare you?
She did that. Chidugo. Stand up. Chineye. What has this girl done to my children? Hey!
Obi, look, you have to do something. You must do something. Something serious is happening in this community. You must do something, oh. No, I don't want to sit. I don't want to sit. I'm okay like this.
It's alright. If you don't want to sit down, it's alright. So, what brings you here?
I want to ask you a question. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. I want to ask you a question. In this community, is it compulsory, mandatory, or by force for somebody to marry from this community? Tell me. Is it?
No.
Good.
So why do you have?
Obi, do you know that Chineye, Mazibe's daughter, went and hired killers to beat up my only son? In fact, as I speak to you, he has very little life left in him.
What? Excuse me?
Yes. And I am very sure that Mazibe is in support of it. Yes. Because since the day my son refused marrying his daughter, he has been, in fact, he has considered me an enemy. He has declared me persona non grata. Yes.
Did I hear you right that she planned, paid hired killers to kill your son?
Obi, come yourself, come and see with your eyes. As I speak with you, in fact, the way they beat my son, they blow him, kick him. As I speak with you, he's at the verge of death. Yes.
Oba, it's okay. This is wickedness of the highest order.
Oh.
Listen, I am going to handle it with every degree of interest. Good. This cannot happen in this community. Good. How can? Thank you very much, Obi. Thank you. Is it true what I heard? Is it true that your daughter hired men to kill Ibuka, Oba's son? Is it true? I am finished, Obi. I am finished. I am finished, Obi. Hey! Okay, but what is it? Obi, as I left my house this afternoon, Papa Ibuka met me on the road. He was complaining bitterly of how my daughter, Chinenye, took some boys and beat up his son. Hey, I ran home. I ran home, Obi. Anyway, he just left this place. Yes. He left here. And he had the same bitter complaint. Listen, Obi, when I got home, I met my 3 children on the ground. They were on the ground. I started asking, but do you know the funny thing? That useless idiot Ibuka brought in as wife came to my house, beat my children up, bewitched them. They were all lying down. As I am talking to you now, I do not know what is the fate of my children at home. Obi, you must do something. You must do something. Hey! What is actually going on? Oh. Hey, what is going on in this community? Community with peace, tranquility. What is going on? Obi, you must do something. You must do something before that idiot turn this community into a war zone. You must do something. It's all right. It's all right. Calm down. How does it? Age of 4. Age of 4. Obi. Age of 4, go to all the elders and council. Tell them I want to see them right now. Go to their houses one by one. Do I make myself clear?
Obi, I'm sorry, but I can call them on the phone.
Don't you have ears? How many times will I tell you not to call people on the phone? People lie on phones. Go to their houses. See them with your 2 naked eyes. In fact, go away. Tell them to come and see me right now.
Okay, Obi.
I think something has to be done. Something has to be done. Something has to be done.
It will help you heal the entire injury. Stop your pain also. Just
this thing is bitter. It's bitter.
But it will heal all those bleeding inside the cell. And the pain wants to stop.
Why? Did you go to Mazi Ibe's house?
Naya, are you back?
Yes. I went to the Obi's palace to report the issue. On my way back, some people stopped me and told me that our wife went to Mazi Ibe's house, used witchcraft to bewitch his daughters.
Papa, I do not bewitch anybody. I only beat them up like children that they are.
Are you sure it's just beating?
Papa, yes. I just beat them up. Besides, they were the one who came looking for my trouble. So I retaliated.
I know, but wait, I know they get. I know they get the kind capricious one that they give me like this. Which kind of capping be this now? Say that girl come on her papa house.
tidy una three, popo una anyhow.
Hey,
Nakuna. You know they make sense to me.
Rezo.
What do it now?
Rezo, this thing what they tell you so, eh? See, make I tell you, eh? I don't know whether I wish that get used to do us or not just. But the thing when it happened to say, I not fit explain it. Before I put myself together, eh? Now I see say the land my sister's like, boss. Before I say okay, for what? For my yard? Make her show what I fit do and more. Then she give me for neck, bah! Before I get myself over the bar after many hours.
Forget that thing.
Razor!
Forget that thing. Forget that thing.
Hey God.
What juju she do?
Okay now.
Her juju they learn walk.
Okay.
Her juju na beans. I try to imagine. They imagine we on a fuck up rich. Say three of na no fit.
Hey.
Even if na upper court collect and one. You feel me? Forget that thing. What's in the car?
Okay now.
Okay. Anyways, how you want be? You understand? Just tell me what you want my dinner. Because I don't fuck up rich.
The same thing that you did to the husband. Or better say worse. Treat that girl fuck up for me now. I beg. What kind of thing is that one?
Now this is when I take time to talk.
Yes,
when I use slow motion to talk.
Yes, sir.
I don't know my name. Now I know where I be. Call my name.
Razor.
Call my name again.
Razor.
Just leave matter for Matthias. I go tidy that girl fuck up. She go know say from Kogi State to this village, they like from here to Emeka GF place.
Bagam.
Like, una never get the matter.
Tell her.
So powerful. I cannot do without you, you're my galabi.
Oh boy. Razor blade. Not tell me say they prepare to go arrange that baby again. That innocent girl. You want to go brush her again.
Wait. Now that baby they call innocent girl. Who the only innocent girl? Like innocent her. Babe we get morale. Starch morale do those girls that kind of thing. Like they call innocent girl. Come on, they can somewhere.
Yeah, this is your protocol, Caprison. Forget that. Listen. On a very good day, if now you be that lady, you go happy. Now they first find her trouble. When they send us no go brush our husband. Okay, they expect that she go clap for us, Abi. Now one. What they reason like that?
Make I tell you, my guy. Eh? That one, waiting happen, don't happen. So she just defend her side. And waiting reach am to good long reach am. Waiting go reach am, go still reach am. You dey feel me? Well, first of all, make we finish waiting we get. We no tidy am well. You gonna watch up. So I hold my side. You dey feel me?
Hey, Razor. Because of 1K, we enter Yawa. I sure you remember. Now you want to add another Yawa to the already one where we get. Use your mind now. Right? They use Yawa cook soup. Use your mind.
Which Yawa you talk? You say because of which Yawa? I don't understand.
You don't forget our Gbese where they palace.
Oh.
They should invoke us anytime. Anywhere we all vote.
Now, I make I tell you, say, before you take a person, make you think. What happen, we say, that no matter. Eh? Make we first tidy what you get now. More tidy this matter finish. More tidy am wella. If they call us for that one, call us for this one. We go answer the boat now. Eh? Nothing as it be like this now. We see us like this. Anything we man see now in the collect. So you go use your head. No dey caprison anyhow.
Because of 1K. Because of 1K.
Moku dey comot. Calm down. Eh?
If I tell you to speak Port Harcourt, Caprison. Hey, Caprison, go Caprison you.
Obi, that girl is evil. She is a witch. And we need to throw her out of this community before she infects everyone with her witchcraft. Even the Bible says, suffer not a witch to live.
Mazibe, even though you are my brother, I will say the truth. That girl is not a witch. You lied. She is a blessing to the entire community. How will you call her a witch?
What kind of blessing are you talking about? What kind of blessing also? A girl that a blessing to this community. Hi! Also,
yes, I say once again, she's a blessing to this community. It was your daughter that first sent men to beat her husband up. She had to retaliate. It is a case of do me or I do you. She's not guilty.
Wait. Also, you who comes to my house, dine with me.
And so what?
Eat with me. You are opening your mouth to say this rubbish. Hey! So what you are trying to tell me is that you are happy the way she beat my children, the way she dealt with my children. Okay. Something has to be done immediately.
That's all right. That's all right. I have heard both of you. And I have taken observations. So we don't need to wait for any member of the Elders in Council any longer. I have to give my verdict. He who fetched ants-infected firewood invited the lizards for a party. Yes. Ebube, go home and treat your daughters.
To according. Obi has.
Papa. Papa, this on your face is like this. The case did not favor us.
Ichozo and Ichungu, they are my problems in this community. See, I don't know what they are gaining from that stupid girl that will make them not to open their mouth and say the simple truth.
You mean our Obi dance to their tone?
Yes.
Hi.
He did.
Papa, relax. We have our plans. Just relax. By the time we are done with that girl, she will pack her bag and run. When I say run, I mean she will run out of this village. Don't worry. Just relax. Papa, welcome. Just go and relax.
You mean I should relax?
Go and relax, Papa.
It's okay.
What is happening now? It's been over 2 days since that girl came here to molest us. And nothing has been done. What about your superhero Razor? What is he saying?
Razor, they form my hand. If they form my hand, I don't know why. I don't know why.
Hi. I already boasted to Papa that we're going to deal with that girl Messi. I already boasted to Papa.
Don't worry. I know Razor is trying to run away from this one. But you know what? I have his keys. And I know the exact button to press. And he will do the needful, so don't worry yourself. He can't run away from this one. There's no way. He can't run.
Chibico, any button you know you have to press, press it now. Press it. Because people need to see that she has been dealt with. Else they'll see us as losers. We lost in the first one, which is marriage. We are losing again, no?
Don't worry.
We are losing again.
God forbid that we'll be losers. We cannot be losers. Okay? So don't ever think that way. As for that girl, her case is as small as an elephant. So don't worry yourself.
Okay, hold on.
Rise up. Now they disturb me because you dey form my hand. You dey form my hand.
Hey, Chijogo, calm down now. Hey, now make I dey call you, just ignore me. You no make sense now. My own babe too. See, calm down. You no go understand wetin dey happen like this now. Eh?
Razor, so just to chance that small girl had you. He had you to chance her, abi?
See, you see that babe, you no go understand wetin I dey plan things. Get things when I dey plan.
if I knock that girl, the way I plan to knock that girl, I swear, if I knock that girl, you say go dash me money. But I won't knock him in a way we be say, if I knock him, she go believe in a person knock him. So I arrange things.
Razor, you the plan. You want knock him. You the plan. Abi? So that small girl had you to just beat. Just to beat that small girl for you. Had you, Abi? To beat that small girl for me, had you. Razor, I don't say you the plan. Plan where, yeah?
See, Chiyogo, you don't know me. And I may be Razor. I me the year. You know, you get us that they fuck people up. When I go knock that girl, if I knock that girl, you self go believe say I knock person for you. So I dey plan am, I dey try put things together where we say when I go knock am, no trace. I dey tell you.
Razor, well done. I don't say, you see this my body, see this my fine body. I don't say don't tire you to the touch. I don't see him say he don't tire you to the touch. From this day henceforth, if I not hear any scores from you on that girl matter, you know touch this body again. You know touch him again.
I bet you go see it. No, take this one, play with me. I go. Hey, no, I bet no use this kind of thing play with me. Because of who, that girl? Who be the girl? Where's she from? No, now, just calm down. They are arrange things. I die put for this matter. I die put here. So chill. In fact, make I just re-strategize how I go take knock for you. You go hear scores now. No, now you the caprison like this. Calm down now.
I say I don't hear. Don't worry, the plan. Listen, make I tell you, he get the new one, when they call banana follow me. If I not hear say you do something to that girl when it please me, I know I'll give you that style. Never.
Banana follow me.
Yes.
I swear, banana go follow me. Hi. I like that one. I like that one. That one go good. That one go go well. Trust me, because of this one, banana follow me. Because of this one, consider that girl. Now, I go knock and
Razor.
I know the caprison anyhow.
I don't hear you. I'm giving you from now till tomorrow morning. If I don't hear any scores on that girl, nothing for me and you again. If I forget, say I exist. See this my body when they like to touch. It don't over. This Bobby and this one over.
Babe, why the caprison like this?
I don't tell you finish.
Okay. Wait here. See, make I give you. Make I tell you. Ma tell you the way I want plan now. See, you know say. Yourself. Now, this one go well.
See this one, you see carry the big one. They're not going to tell you to chop before you chop safe.
Calm down. I'm one white. How do you do now? And they look for everywhere. I just one mind just make I just come this end. Be like I go see you. I know I make me block you. Meanwhile,
you can't see me well.
Come block you. 2 G's. 2 G's there.
You just sell me. I mean, you do that. You don't betray me anywhere.
I go say you now. My man, you do now. You forget the matter.
Your eye did appear sometimes.
Meanwhile, the matter won't follow these 2 G's. I think see those chile babe them. And them are in this. And them are in the ballery. And some will use this bar. We use them arrange ourselves. Cool our side. High. After we finish, high. We go tie the Ibuka wife. We just tie you for family. Any high yaga. You know the matter now.
And a serious banter. Serious wounding.
Now waiting there for the bar now.
Razor blade.
My man.
For a very long time, you never reason like this.
I know the caprison anyhow.
Forget that you're a caprison. Just go down to like a Sarah.
I know the caprison anyhow.
At least for a very long time. You don't reason well. I see. This one better pass all those ones, all those risks all they take.
That one day.
Serious risk for peanuts. You understand? At least if to say they come like this, one banter with the banter will rubber you well. You feel me? But finally now you the gain and pass. Money go come, true you go come. The other side go come, you go still quash.
I don't understand.
Me I just
Come, which way who you? Don't the caprison in here. Which kind of matter? Which kind of talk with that now? Which?
You swear say this your caprison, I must follow you. They talk about you.
See, on how it be, I don't tell you what you follow the matter. You understand?
Okay, that means I need to. Omo, only for the team view.
I tell you now, 2 G's now. 2 G's there.
Like you hope I wish.
I don't understand.
For conscience.
See, make I tell you one thing. You be my man. Or let's say you be my man. I go rush you. If I rush you, you don't go like him. That's if I run enter you, you don't go like him. For matter when I bring. You give me 5 age. I want to wait now. You don't want to hold your side.
Your eye the red from anywhere.
First of all, you supposed to give me 1, 2. You understand? But meanwhile, since you hold them, tell them give me 1 bottle of beer. Make I use.
Let me throw you chop. You know, I'm using a very big one and you pick shop. Finally, you don't chew how many. Come, respect yourself. You do well finally, try.
For one white meat. Now you tell me say one white meat. Use your head. And meanwhile, the matter be say.
The better. That's the only way to heal. Put it down.
Aye.
Sorry. Down.
It's okay. Aye.
Sorry.
Oh, this thing is stressing me. I still have a whole lot of land to work on. I'm supposed to finish that land and face another one, but I'm using the time to do another one. I'm still on this one with it.
I'll go and help you finish that one.
What are you talking about? That's a whole plot of land. It's not clearing of bush.
You don't seem to know me at all. I will help you finish that land. Ridges and everything inclusive. I'll surprise you today. I will surprise you today.
Okay.
She's a God sent you. Para mo love more. Na love e bo me bu. Iyo baby oh. Iyoma.
You don't know me. No, you don't know what I do you.
What is it?
So what is it? This is caprison for the matter. Wait. You don't want to shut up your mouth. You don't want to shut up. He decides you. Imagine.
Can you tell me what the problem is?
Wait. So now you be that babe way from Kogi State. Come this our community. They form Jandon. They raise shoulder. They do anyhow. What make I come out your 2 legs for ground? You see me, you know, and see if I talk to you, show respect. Make man no just run enter you now.
I still don't understand what you are talking about.
Quiet! Come. Are you get liver go Mazibi has got to brush in 2 daughters, Abi? Now you? If I rush you now.
I see you were the one that sent to go and brutalize my husband.
Eh? You see, they speak English brutalize.
Eh? Wait, she dey caprison inside this matter.
Brutalize.
So,
It's on my ear. My ear. Listen. Okay, this wicked.
I have missed it.
It's a lie.
One bone.
God. Did you say one bone? That one is extraordinary bone. Listen my guys.
See that falling?
God.
I landed
God. Hi. Rizzo. Now you will allow this girl go. Now you.
Rizzo, this girl fuck up like this. I mean, this girl, come,
man.
This girl Phoebe, those Kogi ancestors. This girl Phoebe, na juju this girl do.
Kogi?
Those Kogi people.
Da na gwa jogo. Ana go final. Hi.
This girl.
Jesus. God.
This girl, na Kogi juju.
Man. But wetin this girl use on us? Wetin she really use on us? Two able-bodied men like us. And Rizzo. Calm down. So you say Kogi.
That girl na selling again. She dey do juju.
Kogi.
One come out here before that girl come. Yeah.
What is keeping them now? Where are they? I don't know. Eh? Wait. Are you sure Razor went for that job? What are you saying? Razor gave me his word. He told me he was going to deal with that girl today. He even notified me before leaving, which I told you.
And I'm not doubting you. I'm not doubting the fact that they went to beat her. But if they went to beat her, they ought to be back by now to give us reports. Don't you think so?
I know. Let's just wait for them a little. If we don't see them or hear from them, don't worry. I know what to do. Okay?
Just that one girl that they'll just beat and come back and tell us that we've beaten her. They are relaxing.
Don't worry yourself. You see that girl's case? It's as small as elephants, so don't worry. Eh?
Those boys will beat you up.
Don't mind those boys. I wonder why Ebube has not taken any decision on them. They are not from this village. They were sent away from their village and they came here to hide. And Ebube is still tolerating them.
Well, I dealt with them.
You went in search of them?
No. They came in search of me. They tried to do to me what they did to you because I beat up their friends and sisters.
Did they hurt you?
No. You should be worried about them.
Are you sure they didn't hurt you?
How? You don't know who is seated before you. You should be asking if they are okay. When they saw I wasn't ready to leave, they fled for their lives. Oh, fine. It's okay. Go on. Eat.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Ogaichi, I came to look for Razor and Matata.
I'm even surprised they're not here. As usual. They're supposed to be here by now. I've seen them using.
Yes. When was the last time you saw them?
This morning, I saw them this morning. Yes.
Okay. If you see Razor, please tell him that I came looking for him. That he should come and see me in my father's house. That is very important. Yes.
I will tell them. What? I will tell him. Oh, Malita.
Bye-bye, sir.
People are there, Ross. And I like if you push it.
Come on. Hey, I'm an Okularian.
Thirsty.
to look for Razor and his friend at the permanent, but they were not there. Razor! Don't look for Razor! Don't look for Razor! Razor is busy receiving treatment at the chemist shop. That girl almost killed him. That girl almost killed Razor. If you see Razor, you will not recognize Razor again. I'm telling you now, I went there to buy our painkillers. On getting there, Razor saw me and he was hiding. He didn't want me to know that the person they went to chance, I was just there. Chine, this is not a laughing matter. I don't know why you're laughing about it. If you had seen Razor's face, you know why I'm laughing. I say Razor's face. The girl resets the face. I mean, the face is damaged. Resets like this, resets. Allow me to laugh. Razor. Hey. Come. Let me tell you. Razor was hiding. He didn't want me. Hey, sister Mama. Who are you? It would be such a shame that Ibuka and that stupid girl, whether wife or whatever you call that, came here and molested us. The first time, second time, third time, and nothing has been done. It's so shameful. Since you have tried to revenge fights, and she admits your hired dancer, I suggest we let go. There's nothing else you can do about it. Ebuka insulted me, molested me on the day of our wine carrying because of that girl. The same Ebuka, when I was trying to talk to him about his attitude, he pushed me because of that same girl. That same girl came to this compound and beat the three of us. Come on now, what are you saying? It doesn't make any sense. Now it's shameful. No, I beg. What kind of thing is that one?
So what? Answer me, Chineke. You sent boys to beat her up, and she came and beat them instead. What can you do? No, but can you hear me?
Sister Amara, let me tell you. You see that girl? She's just using all this their Yoruba juju. That's the only thing giving her morale. But if that girl feel say, now only she know where they do better juju. Make she not worry. For this village when I did so, we get juju shrine. I will go package my own there. Okay, yeah. Yes now.
So wait. You two want to soil your heads because of that stupid girl. Well, let nobody call me when it starts happening.
Go! Nobody will call you. Nobody will call you. Let her go. Let me tell you. In the battle of the survival of the fittest, there are no rules. Are you hearing me so? You prove yourself. Anyhow you want to do it, you do it that way. As I am now, I'm ready for anything.
So, you mean...
Yes! That is what I'm trying to tell you. Yes.
What exactly do you want?
That girl has dealt with me. Not only me, she came to our father's house and fought me and my sisters.
That has not answered my question.
I think she's using jazz. So I want a jazz that will overpower a jazz. I want to fight her. Fight her very well.
Yoruba jazz. Not be children jazz. Give us something very strong so that we can deal with her.
The charms she's using is in her tongue. Whenever you want to fight her, spit on any green leaf and touch it on her. The charms will neutralize her own charms.
Okay, Dibia. We'll be on our way now. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Adali Jamuna, Oku Ye Jubia, Ye Jupana.
Thank you. Some strong juju. Thank God the DB has confirmed it.
Are you sure she didn't use jazz on him on the day of her wine carrying? That made him behave the way he did, because that is quite suspicious.
Are you asking? What else will make a grown-up man like that behave in that manner? If not that is under one serious automoko, they are going to turn him round and round and round.
Chai! You have mind though.
You've seen it now.
Thank God the DB has revealed a little secret. By the time I neutralize her charm, she will run from this village in shame.
Are you saying it small? By the time the charm she used in holding Ibuka falls off his eyes, then he can see you clearly again. Don't worry, my dear. Don't worry. Let's go, I beg.
The question now is, when is the right time to launch this attack?
Yes, now. Let's go.
So powerful. I cannot do without you, you're mine.
Don't worry. By next week, your healing will be complete.
I'm tired of staying in one place from morning till night. I'm just tired.
Sorry about that. But I have to hurry now. I need to go and complete the second plot of land.
What would I have done without you? You've been helping me so much.
Well, you were the one who insisted it has to be me. So, I'm doing my work.
See, immediately I am healed. I've already concluded with my father. We are coming straight to your house to come and see your people, then pay your bride price.
No, nobody is putting you under pressure. Take your time.
I've already taken enough time. Enough.
Come here. Easy. What is the meaning of this? And what is the meaning of that?
It is you and us in this village. I know all the things that you know now.
Listen, I do not want any problems. I do not have time for any fights this morning.
You want to run? You're not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere.
Because your jabs are no longer effective, so you don't want to fight. Madam, fight.
Ah! You're not going anywhere. I said you are not going anywhere. Do your worst. You want to fight? Fight! We are ready for a fight with you today.
Madam,
fight!
Fight her.
I said you're not going anywhere.
Leave my path! Fight! Leave which path? Fight!
Leave my path.
Leave my path! Hey, my sister. I'm sorry, oh, I'm very sorry. Kai! That DB has eaten our money in vain.
Hey, why did you run and leave me there?
Eh? My sister, that girl is not an ordinary girl. She almost turned into a lioness. If I hadn't run, staying any further would cause more damage.
And you left me to die there. You left me to die there.
No, now, no. I knew you were going to join me. That was why I took off. Eh? Sorry.
That Ibia. That old fool.
Okay, don't worry. We will go back there and collect our money. Yeah? Don't worry.
Go back there and collect it. Wasn't it you that took me to that shrine in the first place?
I know. That is why I'm saying that I took you there, yes. And I'm going to take you back there to collect your money complete. Do you understand me? So don't worry. Let's go home. Sorry, eh? Hey. Sorry. Hey. Oh, my darling sister.
Everything you told us was a lie. That girl dealt with us. As in, when I said that, she dealt with us.
You mean you spat on a green leaf and touch her, yet she defeated you?
Oga, stop pretending. What you did not work. Oga, balance us. Make we dey go. I beg.
Wait.
I don't want to repeat myself. Oh.
Wait. Should I invoke her spirits and strip her of every power she has? And right here and now, you will see it with your 2 eyes.
What are you waiting for now? No. If you can Ozubo now.
Oh, me wo. Nke kwuru ka na-eme. Nke kwuru ka na-eme. Obia. I invoke your spirit. I invoke your spirit.
I know, but I like it when you touch it anyway.
Papa.
How are you?
Fine.
So how's the leg going?
The leg is healing perfectly well.
Papa, what's all this now? What are you doing with these things? Eh?
You know, with the condition of your leg, you cannot climb a palm tree. And, you know, for the past 1 week, those fruits are overripe. So I need to go there. If not, they will get rotten, or the beast of the field will feed on them.
Papa, please go and keep all these things. Please. I cannot be alive and watch you climb a palm tree. What if you fall from there? How am I going to talk?
So do you want the fruits to get rotten up there?
He's right. Please, we'll get somebody to do the work. You can't climb the palm tree.
Please, find somebody to do this thing. Please.
Yes. Are you sure?
Yes.
How can you climb a palm tree at this your age? Eh? If you fall from there, what are you going to say?
I'm searching for you. I'm looking for you. I can't live without you. You are the love of my life. Baby, the beautiful. And you are also powerful. I cannot do without you. You're my gala, baby. So powerful. I cannot do without you. You're And you are also powerful. I cannot do without you, my gala.
These children will not allow me to rest. What is it? Chinenye, what is it?
Papa, the opportunity we have been waiting for has arrived. Hey!
What opportunity?
Papa, when I was coming from the farm today to check the boys that were working, I saw Ebuka in their last week. She was carrying an cutlass and baskets. So I was wondering like, what does she want to do with all these things? So I followed her. And guess what?
What is it?
I saw her climb the palm tree. And she harvested the fruits.
It's a lie. It's a lie! Chinenye, don't tell me lies. Don't tell me lies.
Papa, I'm telling you what I saw with my 2 naked eyes. And you're saying I'm lying. I'm not lying, no. I saw her.
Can you stand before Ebube and testify against her?
Yes, now. I can. Papa, see, if you want us to go to the Obi part, no. Let's go. I'm ready. We can go to the Obi's place. I'm ready.
When the time comes, I will let you know. Hey! My God has answered my prayers.
Hey! She must leave this village. And she's going to be disgraced if not leave it. She will leave.
And you are also powerful. I cannot do without you.
Oh, wait. Hey! Alu! Abomination! What is this? Hey! Hey! Papa! Abomination, no! Hey! Papa!
What's going on?
Did you climb the palm tree?
I figured out that, he had promised to get somebody to do the work. I realized that at the point you need people, you never have them. So I said to do it myself.
The question is, did you climb the palm tree?
Yes.
Hey! I'm finished. My enemies, they have got me. Hey! Hey!
What have I done wrong? What is wrong?
It's a big taboo in our land for a woman to climb a palm tree. A big taboo.
But I didn't know. I did it out of goodwill. I just wanted to help. I'm certain nobody saw me. It was really quick.
I pray so. Because the consequences of this action are very grievous.
How can you believe that nobody saw her? Eh? Is she a spirit?
Papa, I might just be lucky. I'm certain nobody saw me. It was quick. I went up, got the fruits, and I came down. I didn't know. This is the very first time I'm hearing of this. I was ignorant. I wasn't aware. I'm sorry, Papa.
Well, it's all right, my daughter. The truth is that I have myself to blame. I know you did it ignorantly. I'm supposed to see this thing coming and I'm supposed to forewarn you. You see, it's not about myself. It's about the community. It's an abomination against the gods for a woman to climb the palm tree.
Surely the gods will understand. I was ignorant. The gods will understand it was an honest mistake.
I keep saying it. And I will continue to say it. And I know nobody will ever believe me. But I will not stop saying it. Yes. That girl is evil. I know you will not believe me. I know nobody in this community will believe me. It has happened again. It has happened.
So what did she do now?
What else than this girl? She went and climbed a palm tree and harvested the products. Chineke Ikwela. Because when I was saying it, you people refused to listen to me. My daughter saw her with her own eyes. She will not deny it. She will never deny it this time.
Are you sure what you are telling me now is not just a conspiracy, but the truth?
Let me ask you, have I ever in this community told you a lie? Oh, is that all?
Go on.
What I have just told you is the truth. Nothing but the truth.
Possible. It's alright. I no problem. Ejiofor.
Obi.
I want you to go to Ichiozo's house and tell him I want to see him immediately. And also go to Ichioba's house. Tell him to come with his daughter-in-law. I want to see both of them.
Okay, Obi.
Yes.
Whoa. Papa, it was never her fault. She was just trying to help.
Everybody knows that. But is that what we are going to tell you, Obi?
Papa, we will tell him that she acted in ignorance. Anything he wishes to do, he can go ahead and do it. After all, she said no one saw her.
Believe that, you will believe anything. No one saw her.
Yeah. Moment. Don't happen.
Please be onto this house. I don't to. Now you're dancing. They'll be sent me to get you on the time with immediate effect.
It's alright, eh? Tell him that we'll be coming. Ibuka, you will let our wife know, so that I can go with her. Meanwhile, let me also go and change.
Okay.
I want the daughter of Ebube here to tell us all what she told her father in private.
Obi, I greet you. My elders, I greet you all.
Welcome.
This afternoon, as I was going to inspect my father's farm, because we have some people working there, I saw someone carrying an ete, machete and basket. So I looked very well and saw that it was Ibuka's foreign wife. I got curious, so I followed to see if she was going to give it to someone. My eyes saw my ears. To my greatest shock, I saw her climb the palm tree and harvested the fruits. So I ran to my father to inquire if we no longer have abomination in our land.
Obi, how can a girl who cannot stand erect to urinate climb the palm tree? Yes, of these days.
My daughter, what do you have to say about this allegation leveled against you?
Obi, my fathers, I ask for mercy. All I ask is mercy. My man was badly injured, and the palm fruits in his father's farm were ready to be harvested. We had no one to help us out, so I went there to harvest them. We do not have a palm tree in my village, or where I'm from. I never knew it was an abomination. I had harvested the fruits, taken them home,
When my father-in-law and mother-in-law saw me and screamed, crying that I had committed an abomination, I was ignorant of this law. Please, my fathers, Obi, I ask for mercy. Please.
Obi, as you can see, she's new in this community. And what she said is exactly what happened. Please, tamper justice with mercy, please.
There is no place where you have ignorance as an excuse in law. It is not there. You know the law, Obi. You don't have to bend it. Banish her from this community. Banish her.
It's all right. I've heard you all. You may sit down. Sit down. It is true that ignorance is not an excuse in law. It is also said that what is good for the goose is also good for the gander. But to err is human, and to forgive is divine. This girl has been a huge blessing to virtually every family in this community. Banishing her will be like paying her good with evil. If she has erred in ignorance, we should forgive her. I hereby decree that you have been forgiven. Go free.
Thank you very much, Obi. Thank you, my fathers. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Obi.
Thank you.
We are indeed very grateful, Your Majesty.
What nonsense! What rubbish is this? Our Obi is corrupt, and I am going to take this matter to the general way.
Bam!
What rubbish is this?
That shameless man. That shameless old man.
What happened? Wait, they didn't banish her again?
Banish.
He said, go and sin no more.
Go and sin no more for what now? For what?
Hey!
No. Mba!
Hey! Yoruba just strong, oh. Not be small juju this guy carry come this village, oh.
I see, Jack. Awobi has disappointed me in this one. Awobi has really disappointed me in this case.
Calm down, calm down. I know what to do. I will take this matter to the general way. I will see the end of this matter.
Bam!
I will not rest.
Papa, you must do this one fast, oh. You must do it fast.
I wish you
Okay,
girls were
right
there. You needed to see what is there. This girl just all of them. Everybody was just supporting her just like that. Just like that. So this guy used Yoruba to colonize our ego. It's a big problem. Good girl. Oh, can say,
I thank God, though. I don't know what I would have done without you.
Hey! You need to see Mazi's base reaction.
Eh?
Oh, yeah.
Mazi and his children have vowed that I will not make it. But God has refused to honor their vow.
God passed them. God passed them big time.
Thank you.
You see her?
Thank you.
I'm the happiest man on earth. As you see me here now.
I'm the happiest woman.
Ebuka,
Ever.
go to the pen. Go and bring the fattest goat It's called celebration.
The biggest one.
Okay.
The biggest one.
Get close.
Are you going to get... Stay. You need help.
Look at them.
That's good.
Hey.
Don't say that. Why will Obi allow that girl to go like that? Why? A girl that has no fear for her culture. No single fear, that girl.
She did not know. She did that out of ignorance.
Cheribody, wait. Who in this Igbo land, which person that doesn't know in Igbo land, no woman climbs to the pantry? Tell me, which person that doesn't know that?
Perhaps there are no palm trees where she comes from. And again, she's not from your Igbo land. And, you know, that girl, she was the one that healed the Igwe of his waist pain. That severe waist pain. And don't forget, so many people in this community has benefited from her healing powers. Banishing her couldn't have been the right decision to make.
Let me hear, because you're just talking your own. Hey, Choma, don't be offended. Has Ibuka married that girl? Has he paid her bride price?
As their mouthpiece now. Because I'm now their mouthpiece. Don't you know the road to their house? Go and ask them. Nkechi. Asiri wine.
You're not calling me Asiri wine.
I better get out, Joe. Cho. You don't mind your business.
I'm following Asiri wine.
She's a god who sent you. Borrow my love for more. Now love a woman. Baby,
That girl, I've been watching her. I've been suspecting her from where? She's pregnant. And this morning I confirmed my suspicion.
Hey! She's pregnant? Hey, thank God, oh! Hi! Ebuka, were you aware of this?
But she told me.
Hi!
Can you imagine? So, you knew and you didn't even tell us? Anyway, next week, whether your leg is completely healed or not, we are going to Kogi State. We will go and meet our people. We will go and do the official thing. According to their custom, you know?
But I've already told her she'll be traveling next week. Go inform her people of our coming.
She should go. I'm going there straight. I can't wait for my grandchild.
Now you are talking. My in-law, we are very grateful.
Thank you.
In fact, we are very satisfied with the way you welcome us to your place. Here is my son, Ibuka. And he's in love with your daughter, Ioma. So, the reason why we are here, we want to get your approval so that we can get the list of your requirements according to your tradition and custom, so that we'll come back again and do the marriage proper.
Thank you very much. You have spoken well. My son, you are welcome to our kingdom.
Thank you very much.
I will consult with my people and I will get words back.
to you.
Oh, that is good. That is good. Thank you very much.
I cannot live without you. She's a God who sent you. For my love more. Na love a woman. Yo, baby, oh. I cannot live without you. She's a God who sent you. For my love more. Na love a woman. Yo, baby, oh.